everybody. Welcome to Kat's Kitchen. Okay, today we are going to do a super quick, easy meal. Healthy and delicious. Hi. So if you want to make it with me now, you can. You just need a ripe avocado. If you can squeeze it, then you know it's ripe. If it's green and hard, not right. Okay, so leave it out. You will need some bread, of course. And this is called Better Than BLT. I so love this. And it takes less than 5 minutes. So you're going to need a tomato. In fact, let's go ahead and toast the bread now. Get that going. You can use a toaster or a toaster oven, or you can grill it. Or if you choose, don't toast the bread at all. So we're going to make my Cat Delicious garlic bread as well to go with on the sandwich. Okay. So we're going to toast that. Hopefully it's not too loud while we get the rest going. So your seasonings, basic seasoning, the 3 basics are your garlic, pepper, and your salt. Whole salt. So make sure it's not the table salt. Not good. Okay, that causes the high blood pressure and all kinds of problems. But the whole salt is all the minerals in it that your body needs. Okay, I like to add a little extra seasoning for my garlic bread. So I do a little cilantro, whatever you have. I have oregano. I have some parsley. You can do Himalayan pink salt crystals. That's usually the whole salt. Or you can do Celtic sea salt. That's really good. And you can have your garlic. I think that's it. Oh, I like to put cayenne on my sandwich. On my Cat Delicious garlic bread. I use cayenne, but you might want black pepper. That's fine. But this is really healthy, the cayenne. And then you want your extra virgin olive oil. All right. And get your lettuce. Make sure you have your lettuce, fresh lettuce. Tomato. We're ready. Let's go ahead and start to slice up this avocado. Some of you may not know how to do that. Someone taught me. So you can do it in slithers. So you just watch your fingers. You're going to just do it in little slithers. I guess I'm going to do, I don't know, 6 slithers. 1, 2, 3. And you have to support it because it could get mushy. Get away from you. Okay. And then one more slither should do it. Make sure you wash your avocado off before you slice it. Okay, there we go. We have our slithers. So that's going to be going. I'm going to mash it on the bread. And if you don't like avocado, I encourage you to try it with this sandwich. It is very good. It is very healthy for you. It's great for your eyes. It's great fat for you, the good fat, and has good fiber for you. So a lot of benefits of avocado. So if you don't like it, you can make it in a way that you would love it. So this is one way that I like. I'm going to smash it on the bread, and I like my garlic bread very toasted. So we're going to let that toast a little more. Another option to make your better BLT is you can use some mayo or avocado mayo, or you can do some mustard on it. But I'm showing you the way I like it for today. I'm going to do it with my Cat Delicious garlic bread. And then I'm going to I'm going to put the seasonings on. And then I'm going to smash the avocado on top. Then we're going to put the lettuce on and then the tomato. Okay. Just in case, if you have not heard yet, I have done a cookbook. So it's in the making right now. It should be done any day now. I just saw the layout. Woohoo! So, but you can reserve your copy now. So don't hesitate. Reserve your copy now. And there's a link in my bio for that. You can click on it. It'll say that the cooking on it, or Joyful Cooking is the name of the book. You can do that. Or you can go to my website, glorifiedbodiesfitness.com, and you can click on the link there and reserve your copy today because it is coming. Can't wait. All right. So I think this is toasted enough. Yeah, that'd be good. Let me turn that off. Okay, I'm going to take my toast out. Oh, it's still toasting. Stop. Okay, so now this is very important, this part, because we're going to make my cat delicious garlic bread first, and then the Better Than BLT. Okay. So, first thing you want to do, you still with me? Thumbs up. Okay, we're going to sprinkle a little bit of olive oil on the bread. So, I'm ambidextrous. So, I'm going to you can use a spoon if you want. Put it in a spoon and then spread it on that way. But, yeah, be careful you don't overdo it. There we go. I guess I should have used a spoon. Probably, since I'm live here, I go, whoopsie. All right, that went well. Okay, good. So now we're going to put a little bit of the salt on it. Himalayan. Just a little bit. Get it out there. Okay, and now I do the cayenne. Go light on the cayenne if you're not crazy about it. You just very light, very nutrient dense here. Okay, and your garlic. So this is your basics here, but if you want to add more for your garlic bread, you can add some oregano is great. Can't wait to tear this sandwich up. Okay. And parsley. All right, and I'm going to add cilantro this time. But you can do fresh cilantro. I use it from here because it's quicker. But fresh is best. Busy woman, so I'm trying to make this cookbook, the whole purpose of it is to make life easier on you. Easier for you, but yet make the meals healthy and delicious. So healthy and delicious meals made easy. All right, so next we did this is the Cat Delicious garlic bread. Now we're going to smush the avocado on one of the slices. Although you could do both slices. Just mash that in. Ooh, yummy. Oh my goodness. I'm trying not to salivate here. I'm telling you, you're going to love it. All right. So you can mash that or just cut it in slithers and leave it there. You see that? Yeah. All right. And let's go ahead and cut a slice of tomato. Or let's do the lettuce. Lettuce next. Couple pieces. Hope you're making it with me. If not, you can go back. Hopefully I'll save the video and you can watch it and do it. So this is one of the recipes in the cookbook. All right. And I will have options for you to do virtual cooking with me. So you can make reservations for that. And we can even have lunch or dinner or whatever together, right? That would be fun. All right, so let's go and get the tomato, a couple slices. Oh my goodness, it's so yummy looking. Look at that tomato, how red it is. It's organic. All right, less pesticides or no pesticides. Okay, there we go. So let me get a towel. Okay, so now we're going to place that on top. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's Better Than BLT. Let's put that on the top. I'm going to cut it in half. And yeah, we could do some Zoom together, some Zoom cooking, and actually have a meal together. That would be cool. Oh my goodness. So thank you so much for watching my live demo. Shall we? Manja. I look forward to seeing you next time. Don't forget, reserve your book now. All right. Peace and love. Should I take a bite? Okay.